There we go, beautiful wall art here at Graves RC Hobbies. Big four-wheel drive truck there. Got a skeleton with a remote control. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Trevor and it's hobby store time. I'm in Orlando, Florida at Graves RC Hobbies. Not too many trains in here, but a lot of airplanes, RC cars, trucks, boats, and helicopters. So let's take a look inside. Closed Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. How you doing?
Hi.
How's everything?
Pretty good. How are you?
Awesome. Good Lord, look at all these planes here. I don't even know where to start. Well, I guess let's just start over here. I'm kind of wandering right now. I'm just like, wow, look at all this stuff up here. Space shuttle puzzle. It's kind of overwhelming in here. Got some race cars, model cars you can build. Oh, they do have a few trains. Just HO. And a few N scales in the bags. That's about it on trains. Well, this place goes on forever. Learn to fly. They even got a simulator here. There's a few, I guess, wind lawn socks. Thought they were kites at first, but nope. I got the pilot section. You can stick all these pilots on your planes or in your car. Look at these guys. Balsa wood, spruce, dowel, build your own plane. Some of these are pretty big. Wow, look at the size of these props. There's probably 300 or 400 airplanes up on the ceiling. All the paint section. Different skins. I guess after you build your plane, just lay it over the frame. Tons of wheels, all different sizes. I'm assuming that's fuel. Just aisles and aisles of stuff. Parts for planes and RC cars.
Even if you did make them, you will still never put all the stuff you really need on.
Oh, we got rockets.
Now it's got something that's grippy. It's going to stick on the...
Oh, this section's all helicopters and drones.
It's going to sit into this, and this is the hard part of the Velcro. So the rubber band is going to dig into that.
Come here and do maintenance
We have a strap
on whatever you have.
thing that's pushing it in, and it works just fine. So in a bind, you could do that. I'd still get Velcro on it when I get it.
Yeah.
But I've tested blowing a pile of them out back with this, and it doesn't even, and I don't even put the canopy on.
Wow, this store just keeps going and going. Now we're into RC cars. How you doing?
Very well.
Good. Wow, look at that. These tires are as big as my hand. You can build your own car. A lot of shells you can build. Some big tires. Oh, those are cool. Here we got a few boats. Just a lot of airplane parts.
So what I will do is, if you have stats for Scorpion, and I do the same thing on Cobra, I'll go back and forth, I'll look at the stats, and I'll look at what I'm running on it, making sure that the voltages are the same. And that way I know that, okay, these are static numbers that are true, and sometimes they're off, sometimes Cal sits and right dead on.
Right.
But like I said, all we can do is
Planes everywhere.
and guess and then try it. The e-calcs is gonna help you out so much. I mean,
There's a few drones.
I mean, I don't know how good the numbers are on it, to be honest. I found some wrong things on it. Where I found a motor that's 40 amps off because they didn't put the right internal resistance in it. They missed it by a number, so it threw it off for 40 amps.
Right.
And what was really weird is when I amped it, it did the same thing. What was happening was such a high kV motor that it was losing timing, so it wasn't turning out enough RPMs. Those are far and few between mistakes that you just see them over years of using. So, e-calc is your friend.
Thanks. Right. Well, that was pretty cool. I was looking for the owner, but he wasn't in today, so just a lot of walking around. A lot of stuff in that store, and the lady at the counter says they do ship all over the United States, so if you see something there you like, give them a call. Leave a link at the bottom there on the website, and I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler out.